Hey guys, so I'm out exploring with Mobile Instinct out here in New Jersey, and we're just headed walking back to our car. We just got done finished exploring, and we came across this kiddie ride carousel graveyard. How cool is this? That one's from ShopRite. These are all the things you would see like outside of the old Kmart's. This is obviously not abandoned. Somebody either fixes these or restores them, or maybe they're just collecting them. They have some back here. Little Formula One car. Flintstone car. Dumbo back there. They got them really crammed in here. Pink Panther. This one is a UFO with a little alien. I like the police cars though.
Which one's your favorite, Jack?
I like the police car. I was just saying I like the police car with the little bandit in the back.
We were almost in that today. That was almost done.
Magic school bus so back there. Oh, check out these. These are Tonka trucks.
Yeah, I saw them.
That's cool. Old Tonka trucks. Oh, a Batmobile hanging back here. Looks like Yogi Bear. Or not Yogi Bear, Smokey the Bear. Probably related to him though. So a little short, quick video. Check out Chris, he's also filming it out, making jokes about this place. This is awesome. This is definitely interesting and something you don't see every day. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.